Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Toss. Toss means throw something somewhere lightly or casually. For example, Susie tossed her bag onto the sofa. Susie tossed her bag onto the sofa. Synonyms: throw, hurl, cast.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I reached home and casually tossed the baggie onto a table. Now, repeat after me. I reached home and casually tossed the baggie onto a table. The second exempli. Johnny shuts the phone and casually tosses it onto the dresser. Now, repeat after me. Johnny shuts the phone and casually tosses it onto the dresser. The third exempli. He pulled out a soccer jersey and casually tossed it to Jason. Now, repeat after me. He pulled out a soccer jersey and casually tossed it to Jason.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The QWERTY keyboard gains its name from the fact that its first 6 letter keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. On early typewriters, the keys were arranged in such a way as to minimize the clashing of the mechanical rods that carried the letters.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.